A man was waiting for his train in China, Taiwan, precisely November 25th. He was waiting for his train to arrive, and suddenly he slumped and died while still sitting down. The crowd gathered around the man. People were shouting. Everywhere was thrown in panic as people were gathering around to see what was wrong with the man. They discovered that the man was gone. And a monk walked from the crowd towards the dead man. He held the cold hands of the dead man and started chanting prayers for the dead man. After praying, the monk took a bow at the dead man and walked away, while the police cordoned off the area. What lessons have we to derive from this short story? Lesson number 1. From the crowd. The world never stops for anyone. Once anything happens to you, the world will still go on. People will still go on with their businesses. Lesson number 2. From the dead man. Death is inevitable. It can come to anyone at any time. Will it meet you prepared or not prepared? It doesn't give any announcement by the time it comes. It can happen to anyone, as it happened to the man waiting for his train. And lesson number 3, from the monk. It's always good to do the right thing. If there is any help we can render in times of crisis, in times of need, we should do that. For at the end of the day, the only thing that will be remembered for is the impact we're able to make in the lives of others. If you make a very good impact in the lives of other people, you'll be remembered for good. If the only thing you can do and all people can know you for or remember you for are evil and wrongdoings, you will always be remembered as one who left this world inflicting pains in the lives of people. What will you be remembered for today? What will you be remembered for? As you are watching this, think about it. Death is inevitable. It can happen to anyone. And the world never stops for anyone. Thank you.